Okay guys, we got a 2004 Jeep Cherokee here with a 4.7. Got the alternator on its way. First thing you want to do, disconnect a battery terminal. Then you're going to get a 15 millimeter and you're going to pull on this tension pulley and take the belt off. Once you get the belt off, you have two 15 millimeters side to side here. You have a 13 millimeter on the outside and a 13 millimeter on your hot wire, your positive wire. And then once you get those out, you can lift up on the alternator and unplug the plug from the back. Okay, those are out. Right here, we're gonna give it a little pry and pop it out there, and then you can pull your pigtail off the back of it. And then let's get that new one and get this bad boy running again. All right, so now we're gonna work this backwards. Set the alternator back up there and put our plug in first. And we'll push her back into her home here. Get everything lined up. We'll put our 15 in, our 15 in, our 13 in. We'll put the power cord back on. Run the SERP belt. If you need that diagram, I'll put it in the link in the description below. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna hook your battery back up. You may or may not need to jump it if your alternator wasn't charging the battery prior. And that's it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.